Hello creators. Welcome my YouTube channel. Today I create cinematic black bars in Adobe Premiere Pro. Create new project. Rename the project. Then browse your project location. Then click OK. First you import footage and audio clips. Double-click on your footage. Now go to Source Monitor and drag and drop only video to timeline. Then drag and drop audio clip to timeline. Create new adjustment layer. Then drag and drop adjustment layer to timeline. Now go to Effect panel and search Crop Effect. Drag and drop crop effect to adjustment layer. Then go to Effect Control panel and set top and bottom keyframes. Change the playhead position. Then set top and bottom keyframes again like this. Now you can see the cinematic black bars on your footage like this. Go to Razor tool and cut unwanted audio clip. Okay friends. Thanks for watching Multimedia Guider YouTube channel and don't forget subscribe my channel.